So let's activate it. Need to connect to charger for 3 seconds, it's written. Actually, the charger a bit lighter than previous charger. I just check out here. Yeah, charger is actually much bigger. So seems connected. Charging started. Charge for 3 seconds before some use, then power on, scan QR code. As you see, QR code appeared here. Use Segway app to scan. So I have Segway app already for those two. I click add device, Bluetooth, search, scan QR code to connect manually. Alright, so let's scan the QR. Okay, scanned, connecting to device. Pairing, let's test it out. Device to be paired. Press the button. Pressed, device pairing successfully, alright. Okay, activate and bin to my account, device is under activation. Okay, seems activated, the screen quality is actually quite low, but working anyway well. So you have actually quite advanced options here. I think we will check it out later, so many updates, I will not do it right now. Wow, so many settings compared to previous versions. And that's how you can easily activate your F3 or any other scooter from Ninebot.